My soccer team. I am so happy. I just found out I can be on the soccer team. We have our first practice on Saturday. We practice at my school right after lunch. I am so excited I don't think I will get to sleep tonight. I need to sleep so that I can be rested and strong for my soccer practice. Our team is called the Blue Bombers. Our colors are blue and white, so I get to wear blue shorts and a blue and white shirt. The number on my shirt is 7. I'm 7 years old too. I think 7 must be my lucky number. We play our first game next week on Saturday. I can't wait to play. My dad said if I practice a lot, I will do well at the games. My dad is going to practice with me tonight. Right after dinner, my dad is going to take me to the store to buy some soccer shoes and a soccer ball. Then we will play on the grass by my school. My dad will help to run fast and kick the ball at the same time. I am so excited I don't think I will get to sleep tonight. I need to sleep so that I can be rested and strong for my soccer practice.